Have you ever accidentally deleted products in HubSpot and wished you could bring them back? If yes, you must watch this to know about product deletion, and how you can restore deleted products if needed. In HubSpot, products represent the goods or services you sell. When you have products added, building a product library lets you to add these products to deals, create quotes with these products, and even generate reports on products and their performance. But what happens when you delete a product? Deleting the product from the product library means that you would no longer be able to select it as a line item for your deals. Do not worry. Your existing deals where you used these products as line items are not impacted. Your pre-existing line items based on these deleted products are still part of the deal. That's because a product's instance is added to deal like a unique line item, which does not change with deletion of product. What if you deleted a product accidentally? HubSpot now allows you to restore the products you may have deleted accidentally. Simply follow these instructions to restore. After logging in to your HubSpot account, click on Settings, then in the left sidebar under Data Management, click on Objects and select Products. In the right corner, go to Actions button. From the drop-down menu, select Restore to restore the deleted product. Select the product you want to restore. Or you can also type the product name in the search bar and select the product. From the list of deleted products of last 90 days, about 3 months. In the top right, click on Restore to confirm the restoration of the product. A pop-up will appear to confirm how many products you have selected to restore. Add the number of products to restore and click on Restore. And the product is restored for you and will now appear in the list of active products in HubSpot, just like all the other active products in the product library. Note, products can only get restored that have been deleted within the past 90 days, about 3 months. Hope this video helped you understand more on products, their deletion, and restoration. If you liked the video, please like and share, and do subscribe to our channel for more such helpful videos and tips, and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.